this quick video, we'll show you how to find the implementation guides for the different SuccessFactors products. The first step is to navigate to the SAP Help portal at help.sap.com. From here, then, we can search for SAP SuccessFactors HCM Suite, and we can click on the link. The next thing we need to do is specify which product we want to see the implementation guide for. So in this example, I'll choose the onboarding product. From here, then, we need to find the section titled Implementation, which refers to the implementation guide, and we can click on the link. So here we have the implementation guide. On the left, we have the table of contents, and on top, we have a search bar which we can use to find specific areas. So here I'm going to search for the permissions. So once I click search, then my results pop up on the right, and I can click on the area which refers to what I'm looking for. And once I click on the title, then I'll be brought to this area. So this is how you can find and use the implementation guides.